Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the Chrysler Group certified 2016 Jeep Compass Latitude 4-wheel drive, stock number E1730P. Only 16,000 miles on this Compass. It's a one owner, bright white in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors. Ages, again, only 17,000 miles. Cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. 4-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability. Lots of storage in the armrest. 115-volt outlet, perfect for charging those media devices. And a spacious glove box with the Under the hood, this Compass has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 172 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 26 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.